In today's video, I'm showing you how I created this eye look. It's really easy. It's actually a new palette that I purchased over the December sales at Victoria Beckham. So today I'm going in with the Bordeaux palette. There's different ways that you can wear this, but today I'm sporting this look. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. Let's get into the video. So this is the Bordeaux palette. Again, packaging is amazing. These are the eyeshadows, and I always like to just get the whole set. Currently, as I'm looking at the website, pretty much everything is out of stock because they recently had a 20% off sale. Hence, one of the reasons why I've gone a little crazy with purchasing her products. I'm filming this in December. I don't know when this video is going to be out. It may not be out till January. So I believe to get to the I think the palette on its own is $48. I can't tell because it's not listed on here because everything's pretty much sold out. And then if you want to get the palette with it, then it is $75. It is very pricey. It is. But with her stuff, you get what you pay for. I feel like she puts a lot of detail in her products, and her eyeshadows are just gorgeous. They really, really are. And I didn't have colors like this. Yes, I have a brown like that, but I don't have colors like this. So let's get into this eye look. There's so many different ways you can wear it. And this is the way I chose to wear it because I don't know if I still have it on my phone, but I found a photo of her and it's so blurry because I had to I had to zoom it in, but this is a picture of her wearing the palette. So I kind of tried to do something similar to what she has going on because I don't know exactly how she did it, but we're going to do it. Okay. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to do this a little differently than I normally do it. Let me get my thing here, and I'm going to use her brushes. I still love my rougher brushes. I love my BK Beauty brushes. I'm just using these right now because I just paid for them and I really like them. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this shadow right here first. And then I'm going to apply it right here on my lid. And I'm going to be adding a little bit more. Actually, I'll do a little bit more now. Add a little bit more now. It's like that. Then I'm going to flip the brush over to this side. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to take that brown right here. I'm going to go right on the outer here. I don't want to go too far out. I'm going to keep it right here. Kind of build it up. Kind of give this outer corner a little bit of a lift. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend that with her blending brush. And I'm probably going to add a little bit more in a little bit, okay? Now I'm going to wipe this brush off. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to take a little bit of this here, a little bit of that. And now I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it like right in here. Then I'm going to bring it up here. Like I said, I'm kind of going by where the placement is there, but it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell in that photo. So I'm just kind of making it up here. I don't want to go too high with it. I'm going to take my blending brush and just start blending it. These brushes are super, super soft. I love the handles on them. They're just gorgeous. I don't know if you can hear my kitties in the background. Somebody is crying. And I think that's Buddy. When I used to film, sometimes my Tabitha would cry because she'd be like, who are you talking to in there? I'm going to go ahead and go back now and take a little bit of this. And I wipe my brush off in between too. I have a little towel on my lap. Actually, I have a paper towel today on my lap, and I just kind of clean it up as I go along so my colors don't get all muddy. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take the blender brush. I mean, it's super easy. One thing I will say about her shadows is they're not, these shadows are not, there's not a bunch of fallout with it, so I'm trying to say. It's a really nice formula. I love how compact they are, the palettes, and they're quite heavy. Like the palette itself is really heavy. I just feel like she puts so much detail into her products, you know? Okay. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take my pencil in Cocoa, the Kajal liner. I'm going to go ahead and get my tight line here. So I just scrub it into these lashes. It probably would be best to sharpen yours, but these are expensive, and so I try to get as much as I can before I sharpen them, just being honest. One thing I don't like to spend a lot of money on is liners, but I've learned to really like these. Okay, so now I'm going to take it and I'm going to go right on my lash line. I'm going to do a little bit more on this outer here. I'm going to take this brush, this teeny tiny detail brush here of Victoria Beckham's, which I love. And I'm just going to kind of do a little bit of a wing, nothing big. It's more of a flick, if you will. Just a tiny flick. I have a little tiny flick on that side. Just tiny, like you're barely going to see it. Then I'm going to go back with that liner and I'm going to go right here. And lightly apply it under here. Then I'm going to go in and take that brush again that I used in the beginning to apply my shadow. I'm going to go in and take the brown here. It's on the end, right there. And then I'm going to soften that up. A little sloppy right there. Let's get that with my finger. There we go. I don't like a harsh line here. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to take a little bit of this gold here. I'm going to put that right underneath too. And I'm blend that. Smudge it out. I'm going to smudge this out a little bit more too on this side. Okay, so now I'm going to take this white eyeliner. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know if she makes it anymore. I know that Victoria Beckham has one, and I have not tried it yet. Just kind of makes your eyes look a little bit whiter. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to put several coats on. I am using her mascara. I'm not crazy about it, but it's okay. I don't know if it's one that I would repurchase, but I am going to use it up because I paid for it. And since we're doing a look using her palette, I thought I would pull it out. And I will leave the information below. Really like my mascara, so I'm not going to bore you while I'm doing this. I'm going to put several coats on. And I'll be right back. All right, and this is my final look. I really love this palette. There's still one palette I might eventually get. I might get her Victoria palette. I just don't know. I don't know. I kind of go back and forth because I feel like a palette similar. So I'll have to think about it. But I love these because they're so compact, great for traveling. They're very luxurious. I find that her products are really, really lovely to use. I find that her eyeshadows blend out really well. I don't have a bunch of fallout with them. And they last well on my eyes. So I really do like it. I feel like, as I said in the video, I feel like I mentioned several times, I feel like she puts a lot of thought and detail into her products. So you are paying a little bit more, but for me, I think it's worth it. I know it's not in everybody's budget. So as always, I'm going to show you this palette close up. Maybe you can screenshot it, and maybe you have some colors that are similar, okay? Please don't ever feel like, even though I'm sharing products on here, I'm always going to share reviews on makeup. And most of the things that I enjoy is luxury makeup, although I don't purchase every new item that comes out. I just don't do that. I don't want you to feel like you have to get things just because I'm sharing them. Please use what you already have. Please, if this is not in your budget, use what you already have. You could probably create a look very similar to eyeshadows that you already have, okay? All right. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you are new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I would greatly appreciate it too. If you've enjoyed it, please make sure you like, share, and comment on the video. Helps my videos, helps push my videos out to the algorithm. Would really appreciate your help with that. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.